Peroni. Carriazo, wala. Calub for the rebound. Bugayong. Good drop to Nafuran. Nafuran. No. Atihera again. Still no basket for the Louisians. Ito si El Habib. Oh, double dribble. Good hustle. El Habib looking for number 14, Villarreal. That's a blocking foul. Committed by Peroni. Alam mo, gusto ko yung hustle nitong Peroni na to, ano? Ha? Hindi siya wide-bodied, pero yung hustle play niya maganda.
Foul number 18.
So, El Habib.
Second personal, first team foul.
Another steal. Bugayong tumatakbo. Ito si Carriazo, nasa likuran niya. Gumamit ng board. 38-45. Dropping defense by the Louisians. Atihera. Carriazo, sidestepping move. Blocking foul on Nafuran.
Nothing but SLU pagdating sa scoring dito sa ating first, I think, 2 minutes dito sa ating fourth. So, ngayon pa lamang kung sakali makakatikim ng score o makakakuha ng puntos itong UC Jaguars. And again, still missing Carriazo on the free throw.
Kanina, maganda yung mga free throws nitong nung UC Jaguars.
And again, 0 out of 2.
Carriazo getting that rebound. Good defense with the Louisians. It's a jump ball. So ball possession will stay with the UC. Oh, medyo mainit itong number 14. No?
Nakakatawa. Kumbaga, kaya nandun pa rin. Tao lang. Kumbaga,
tsaka mga bata naman
mga bata
ito. If that will continue, medyo delikado yan dahil
sa El Habib, yung absence niya ngayon, medyo yung presence niya ang hinahanap ng UC. But again, magandang pasa.
40-45, 5-point lead for the Louisians. It's El Habib versus Atihera, but Bugayong is there. Atihera, di diretso. Binigay kay Calub. Calub. And made that basket.
Napakataas ng percentage ngayon ng SLU.
Oo.
I think they are more than 60%.
Bustamante. Bustamante to El Habib. Naku, napikan nitong si Bugayong. 40-47, 5 minutes, 11 seconds sa ating time.
Second personal, third team foul.
Ito naman, baliktad kasamang Chris. 3 team fouls na itong SLU. Samantalang ito namang UC Jaguars, 1 team foul pa lang. No? So baliktad naman yung sitwasyon ngayon, Chris.
So, ito, number 5 ng UC, napakahirap pa rin i-predict. Magda-drive, biglang papasa. Ito, kahit ikaw ang babantay dyan sa ganyang player, talagang malilito ka kung anong play. And again, another hustle play. Number 13 on the run. Sinigurado na.
4-point lead
so,
for the Jaguars.
Number 9, Calub. Another tap.
Peroni. No basket. So bola yan ang possession ng SLU.
So on the part of the SLU, hindi nila kailangan magmadali. Sila yung may hawak na kalamang. At least sana mapansin may Sumeñas on the bench na no need to rush.
Oh, yan. Parang ganun, ano?
Kundi man sila makatawag ng timeout.
So, 4 team fouls for SLU.
Personal, 4 team foul.
El Habib.
Galanza. Wala. 3 seconds ang tatawag kay Carriazo.
So, yung tanong pa rin natin nila ng allowed serve na timeout for quarter.
I think they have two timeouts for fourth quarter kasamang Chris.
Open.
Peroni, titira sa 3. He makes it!
Peroni, silent scorer.
Ayan.
Dito.
Good behind the back. No, ginawa nitong si El Habib. El Habib, pinasa ang bola kay Carriazo. Carriazo, mataas. Malakas yung kanyang tira. Kalog pa sa rebound. Good steal by the UC Jaguars. Lumabas yung tira nitong si El Habib. Naku, wala pa rin. Sayang yung offensive footback nitong UC Jaguars kasamang Chris.
Foul number 10.
El Habib, pag alam niyang hindi nakakagawa yung mga kakampi niya, kumbaga siya yung gumagawa ng action, pero niluwa lang ng bola yung kanyang huling attempt. Pero ito, tingnan natin on the free throw.
Wala pa rin, ano? So ito na yung free throws ng Jaguars. Oh, delikado yan, ano? They need to score sa free throw line para makahabol. Kasi the SLU is in the penalty already. No? 5 teams, ay 5 ano na yan, 5 fouls na. 5 team foul na po ang SLU. But there, Kalub, 43-52. Naku! Another turnover for the Jaguars.
Fake. Although no need to rush for SLU. Pero kumbaga ito sila swerte. Kumbaga yun yung nasa isip nila. Why not? Open, then nagkakaroon ng mismatch.
They have to pour, no? They have to pour in the scores. Ito si Pugayong wants to set up the play, but ito sa El Habib. Minutes, 10 seconds. Ito na naman ang Louisians. Kalub. Wala. Lufran.
Substitution.
Hindi mo pwedeng gamitan si El Habib ng mga ganong style.
Oo,
kasi
makakainin ka ni El Habib pagdating sa pagdating sa dribbling, talagang iiwan ka niya, no? All you have to do is probably stop him by fouling him, no? Para hindi na maka-lay up itong batang to dahil napakagaling.
Parang may magnet yung kamay niya pagdating sa bola. And again, number 10, forcing the issue.
Oo, forcing the issue, that's right.
Pero
Patihera is there. Peroni. Sabi niya, set play tayo, set play, no? Naku, nakuha niya, no? Wala pa rin, Kalub! Napitawan yung bola. Atihera! Good hustle by the Louisians. Peroni, naghanap ng papasahan.
and
To
again,
Kalub! Kalub! Nagmamadali dito ang Louisians, ano? Ayan, no? Ito na naman si El Habib, El Habib! That's a foul on Atihera. El Habib will visit the free throw area.
Foul number 4. First personal. 6.
and again, 2 minutes and 6.
Time remaining.
7 puntos lamang yan.
2 minutes, 6
Pwedeng
seconds.
pababain.
And finally, no, naka-score na sa free throw area itong UC Jaguars courtesy of El Habib. Another rebound by the Jaguars. 2 minutes remaining. El Habib. Good drop to Carriazo losing the ball. Buti na lang, nakakuha rin ng Jaguars. El Habib, sidestepping move. And he makes it.
Timeout. SLU.
48-52. 5-point lead for the Louisians.
48 seconds.
Grabe, yung ating fourth quarter. Still, kumbaga napakahirap magbasa ng play. Ang nakikita lang natin ng part of SLU, ang dami nilang nasayang na possession dahil sa kanilang pagmamadali. This game, is, kumbaga meron silang 24 seconds. I think 19 seconds pa lang, nandiyan na tumitiran na sila. Samantalang dito sa UC Jaguars, may pagkakataon pa itang si Elabib na magpakitang gilas kung hindi siya babantayan ng SLU.
Dapat. Tama, no?
Kung hindi siya i-one-on-one dito, eh talagang pipilitin niya itang si Elabib. Again,
nice play by the Louisians, ano? Parang knockout play yun kasamang Chris. So 7-point lead for the Louisians. Elabib lifting. Naku! What a time! Ano? Very untimely turnover ang nakomit dito ni Elabib.
Timeout UC.
although nakita natin maganda yung intention nitong si Elabib to fake sana. Kumbaga malito konti yung mga dumidepensa sa kanya. But again, the referee is very strict on that.
That's right. Pero alam mo, maganda yung play na sinet kanina, no, ni coach, napakaganda dahil nakita mo naman nakakawala itong si Obina, I'm sorry, si Bugayong for an easy 2 points. Now, they're up by 7 points, 1 minute 40 seconds. UC needs a stop, UC should score on this possession. But ang problema nga, nagkaroon ng turnover. Kailangan may stop dito ang UC, and score. That's very important. Time is 1 minute 39. Mahaba pa yan kasamang Chris.
And again, basket.
Wala, no? But look at SLU battling for that rebound.
So parang ang nangyari kanina, hold pa lang yan eh. Biglang may hold pa muna. Biglang may tumira
from the SLU. Ito na, nag-trap ng SLU. They're trapping the Jaguars.
And again,
Elabib. Didiretso. Using the board. Malakas. Louisians took the ball. Bugayong. Didiretso tong batang to. Sigurado to. And Bugayong. Look at him.
Against the 3 white shirt.
Oh.
Alam na alam niya kung anong gagawin.
Peroni. Now they're putting a kill on the Jaguars, Chris.
And of course, the time is running out for the UC Jaguars.
Napuran. Sa sidestep na naman tong sinapuran. Wala. Pero yung rebound, nakita mo naman. Napakasipag ng bata. Bugayong for 3.
Again, Bugayong.
Wow!
Feeling alapat.
Alam mo, napakaganda ng nilaro nitong mga Louisians, and especially these 5 strong players on the court right now, no? We have Nafuran, nakita mo yung sinafuran pag tumira, meron sisiguro din niya pag hindi pumasok, makakawa siya ng rebound. We have Atihera, who plays a lot of penetration. Si Bugayong, nakita mo yung fast breaks niya, sinigurado niya. Of course, the hustle, no? Itong si Peroni, and especially the 3-point shots, na talaga namang medyo, parang that's the dagger yung 3-point shot nitong ni Peroni kanina. And of course, si Calub.
And after the 3-point shot, first time tayong nagkaroon ng double-digit margin. 59 to 48. Right. So, yung oras dito, sinabi natin kanina, napakahirap na. 10 puntos. That's
10 points. Of course, pwede pang ibabayan, kailangan dito, balik din yung depensa kaagad ang UC Jaguars. As much as possible, if they can trap, they trap already. Pero itong si Peroni, hindi pa rin tumitigil. Nakita mo, Calub to Atihera. Atihera will try to cross the line. Ito si Bugayong na naman. And Bugayong, wisely, wisely, stop niya. Peroni libre sa 3. Ayan na naman, wala. Carriazo, looking for Galanza. Galanza. Pababayaan na nila to score. And again, Galanza.
10 seconds.
So walang sinasayang na oras at saka play.
Bugayong is a playmaker, He is a playmaker.
Peroni from downtown.
Wala.
Hindi na pumasok.
So that's it. SLU wins. 49-59. It's a 10-point margin. So I think SLU will advance to the finals.
Pero hindi ganun kadali yung kanilang
just sa 4th quarter lang. But you have to credit, I want to credit of course, yung pag-hold ng mga players sa 3rd quarter, Of course, yung mga players sa 3rd quarter, they were able to hold yung score para yung mga players ng SLU na maglalaro sa 4th quarter, hindi na mahihirapan,
And aside from that, yung ginawa nila dito sa number 5. Napakaganda. Akala natin may follow-up yun on the fourth quarter.
Wala.
Pero, hindi
Well,
na-
I think he was scout. Na-scout itong si Elavin sa fourth quarter. Kaya hindi na siya naka-score. Kaya wala, hindi na siya naka-layup. Kung ilan lang yung na-score itong si Elavin. Good defense on the part and good play on the part of Coach. Dahil nung huli, wala na siyang katulong eh.
So, siguro baka sabihin nila na ang fourth quarter na hindi rin sila pinagla.
Parang star players nila. Anyway, siyempre, wala naman dapat ikaya ang UC Jaguars, of course. They fought, no? It's just a break of the game during the fourth quarter. Pumutok si Ate Hera, pumutok si Beroni. Halos lahat pumutok sa koponan ng UC Jaguars ay ng SLU. Pag makita mo naman, rebounds, talagang, I think, more rebounds goes to yung sa SLU. Okay? So, that's it. Susunod po, ang magkalaban kasamang Chris, ang Berkeley versus ang UC Jaguars naman para sa Pasarel.